Wind chimes and mobiles have been a long-time favorite for holidays and home decor. Today I have over 40 ideas for DIY wind chimes and mobiles. Remember, mobiles aren't just for babies and wind chimes aren't just for the wind. These will be beautiful inside your home or out, and in any room. Get yourself a wooden hoop or embroidery hoop. Tie 4 strings at the top to hang, and use faux greenery from the dollar store to hang on your loop. Remember, for the little ones, the items need to be completely out of reach. These are not meant to be toys, and they're for decoration only. Find a pattern for your favorite animal and either sew it or crochet it. You should be able to find free patterns off the internet, but let me know if you need any help. Then use string to hang pom-poms, a moon, and some clouds from a crossed set of dowels at the top. Either buy from the craft store or make some cute little fake birds. Get some branches from outside or a friend's house and peel the bark off. Now attach your cute little birds to the branches with hot glue and tie some fishing line on the branches to hang. If you have the means to work with clay, it's a great medium for creating these cute little stars and moons. You can recreate this cute jungle set with a pre-purchased mobile hanger and some felt with markers. Either freehand these animals or search for a pattern online. Be sure to reach out to me if you need any help. My Instagram handle is Ms. Angela Sawyer. Use a jigsaw to cut out some cute little shapes, then string them on some fishing line with a ring at the end. Now you have a beautiful modern art design that you and your guests will enjoy for many years to come. Use wooden beads and some dowels or skewers to make this simple yet elegant mobile. Hang in your office or den and you're set with some modern decor. This is really simple. Just get some greenery and hang it from your favorite dowel or hoop. That's it. You could probably find the greenery at the dollar store and your dowel or hoop at the dollar store. So literally, this would cost you less than $3 to make. How beautiful. Here we have another super easy yet elegant design. Use chains, pom-poms, and beads with a stick from the yard to make this mobile. It's that simple. You can see how the pom-poms are strung on the chain and the beads are strung as well. If you need any help recreating this, be sure to reach out to my Instagram, which, as I said before, is Ms. Angela Sawyer. We're not done yet, but I wanted to thank you for watching. If you're getting value out of the video, be sure to give a thumbs up because it really helps the channel. In addition, if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? I post videos about all things creative, including home decor ideas, furniture restoration, wigs, beauty, that will totally change your life. Click the button, I'll wait. Be sure to turn on all notifications so you're first to know when I've posted a new video. You can also send a personal request to get notified of certain types of videos, such as only wigs or only home restoration. My Instagram is Ms. Angela Sawyer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video on the screen. Peace out.